Today, we're delving into the thought-provoking world of generations by the esteemed author Jean M Twenge. Prepare to embark on a journey that unravels the unique characteristics and defining traits of different generations, shedding light on the cultural shifts that shape our society. As we dive into the insights presented in this book, remember to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up if you're as intrigued as we are about exploring the complexities of generational dynamics. And hey, for those eager to explore generations further, you'll find a link to purchase the book in the description below. Welcome to the enlightening realm of generations, where Jean M Twenge takes us on an intellectual journey through time, exploring the distinct characteristics that define different generations. In this captivating book, Twenge delves into the generational shifts that have shaped societal norms, values, and behaviors, offering a comprehensive understanding of the unique traits that each cohort brings to the table. Twenge's book serves as a compass guiding us through the intricate terrain of generations. From the silent generation to baby boomers, Gen X, millennials, and Gen Z, each generation is dissected with precision, revealing the experiences and historical events that have left an indelible mark on their psyche. Through meticulous research and analysis, Twenge uncovers the patterns that distinguish one generation from another, unveiling the factors that mold their perspectives and behaviors. Generations paints a vivid picture of how cultural influences seep into each generation's worldview, leaving an imprint that shapes their interactions, choices, and priorities. Twenge explores how historical events, technological advancements, and societal changes create ripples that manifest in generational values. The book offers a deep dive into the values of each generation, from the silent generation's conformity to the millennial generation's emphasis on individuality and self-expression. One of the book's strengths lies in its candid exploration of the challenges and opportunities unique to each generation. Twenge doesn't shy away from addressing the obstacles that each cohort faces, whether it's economic uncertainties, changing family structures, or the impact of technology. However, she also highlights the inherent strengths of each generation, showcasing their adaptability, resilience, and capacity for positive change. Generations is particularly relevant in today's rapidly evolving world, where intergenerational dynamics play a crucial role in shaping social, political, and economic landscapes. Twenge's insights offer valuable context for understanding the clashes and collaborations between generations, from workplace interactions to political ideologies. The book's exploration of generational shifts provides a roadmap for effectively navigating a diverse and interconnected society. As we conclude our exploration of generations by Jean M Twenge, we're left with a profound appreciation for the intricate interplay between history, culture, and generational traits. Twenge's thorough research and insightful analysis invite us to view society through a generational lens, gaining a deeper understanding of the forces that have shaped and continue to shape our world. If this journey of exploration resonated with you, remember to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up to show your support. And don't forget to check out the link in the description if you're eager to dive into the pages of generations. Until our next intellectual adventure, keep seeking knowledge and embracing the diverse perspectives that enrich our understanding of the world.